When it comes to flying, safety is the #1 priority. And today, we're counting down the top 5 safest airlines in the world, including one that's never had a fatal jet crash in over 100 years. Stick around to the end, because the #1 pick might just shock you. Starting off at number 5, we have Singapore Airlines, a name that has been synonymous with luxury and top-tier service for decades. At one point, it was ranked the best airline in the world. But in terms of safety, it has a solid track record as well, with only 2 major crashes in the past 50 years. One of its most notable incidents was Singapore Airlines Flight 006 in 2000, which unfortunately resulted in fatalities. However, since then, Singapore Airlines has significantly improved its safety measures, investing in cutting-edge technology, pilot training, and maintenance to ensure passengers have one of the safest flying experiences possible. Coming in at number 4 is Qatar Airways, one of the youngest but most prestigious airlines in the world. And here's an impressive fact. Qatar Airways has never had a fatal accident in its entire history, that's right. Not a single fatal crash. Its only hull loss was due to a hangar fire, meaning it wasn't even an accident involving passengers. With a fleet full of some of the most modern aircraft, like the Airbus A350 and Boeing 787 Dreamliner, Qatar Airways continues to set safety standards sky high. Taking the 3rd spot is Etihad Airways, the flag carrier of the UAE. Just like Qatar Airways, Etihad has never had a fatal accident in its history. However, since it was founded about 10 years after Qatar Airways, its record isn't quite as long-standing. That being said, Etihad is widely regarded as one of the safest airlines in the world, thanks to its state-of-the-art safety measures, highly trained crew, and a fleet filled with some of the newest planes in the sky. At number 2, we have Air New Zealand, the airline that actually held the #1 safest airline spot in 2022. Now, Air New Zealand does have a history of accidents, but let's put things into perspective. It's been operating for nearly 100 years, and for an airline of that age, its safety record is nothing short of exceptional. One of the reasons Air New Zealand ranks so high is its constant commitment to innovation, including advanced pilot training, strict maintenance protocols, and some of the world's safest aircraft, making it one of the most reliable choices for travelers. And finally, taking the top spot as the world's safest airline is Qantas. Qantas has never had a fatal jet airliner crash in its 103-year history. That's an achievement that no other airline in the world can claim. This Australian airline has earned its reputation through strict safety protocols, continuous investment in cutting-edge technology, and an industry-leading safety culture. It's no wonder it was famously referenced in the movie Rain Man, where Dustin Hoffman's character stated,
"Qantas never crashed."
And even decades later, that statement still holds true. So, would you book a ticket on these airlines? Let me know in the comments. And if you think this was wild, wait until you hear about the world's most dangerous airports, runways on cliffs, ice, and even a beach? Smash that subscribe button and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, fly safe.